So hello everyone, this is Joel over here, and in this video we will be solving a numerical based on Ngrams. And yeah, let's start to solve this. So we have a question with a training data set over here, and this is the question which has been provided over here, and we have to solve a unigram and bigram, and we have to find the Ngrams for this targeted sentence over here. So basically, our motive is to find the bigram value of this targeted sentence using the training data set over here. So here in the training data set, you have four sentences with starting of sentence with s and ending of sentence with slashes. And as a first step, all these words should be counted, including these s and closing tag of s. So total number of words or tokens, you can say we have 30 over here. So 30 over here we have. And as a first step for unigrams, uh, we have to count the total number of words that exist in a training data set. So you can see S exists for 4 times and I exists for 5 times and no exists for 1 time and who exists for 1 time. So basically the total number of times occurring of each word should be counted and listed as a second column of a table. And as a third column, since we got 30 as a total tokens, right? So we have to divide the count divided by total number of tokens over here. So 4 by 30, you got approximately 0.133, and 5 by 30 is like 0.1667. And same way, all this P of W is been found over here. Now, our targeted sentence is like S, I would like to help slash S. So to find the bigram for this, uh, we have to pick two words recursively for checking the bigrams. Unigram is a single word and bigram is like two words, you can say. And so here S and I is been considered. So the count of I is 3 and the count of S is equal to 4. So P of I and with S is like kind of empty statement, you can say, or else like starting statement. So P of I with S is like 3 by 4. You got 0.75 over here. And second, we have I and would. So would occurs for 1 time and I occurs for 5 times, which is would and I both are occurred together is 1 time, but I alone like got counted is like 5 times. So what I'm trying to say is in first sentence I along with S is occurred for 3 times and S alone occurred for 4 times. So same way in the second row, so would and I together is occurred as 1 time, but I alone occurred as 5 times over here. So 1 by 5 is zero point 0.2 we have over here. So next, wood and like. So wood and like is been taken, and the count of wood and like occurred together is 1 time and wood alone occurred is 1 time. So you have 1 by 1, which is 1 over here. And like and 2 occurred together is 1 time and like alone is occurred is 1 time. So 2 like is nothing but 1 over here, and 2 help it's 1 and 2 is 3. So you got 1 by 3 and it's like 0.333. And help of s, you get it as 1 time, like help and closing tag of s occurred for 1 time and help alone occurred for 1 time in the training data set. So p of closing tag of s and help is like 1 by 1, which is 1 we have. So all these values should be multiplied, and so if multiplication happens, you'll get the probability of this particular targeted sentence over here. So probability of I would like to help is 0.75 into 0.2 into 0.1 into 1 and into 0.333 and into 1. So as a result, you will get 0.499 something, and we will just round it off to 0.05 over here. So that's it, guys. So basically, Ngrams is, they will be providing you a training data set, and as a first step you have to count the total number of words or tokens, and using that we have to find a unigram. And as for bigram, a targeted sentence will be provided, and you should pick two words from a sentence, and you have to find the probability and multiply all these things to get the bigram count of your targeted sentence. So the general formula over here is probability of word 1, word 2, word 3 up to word n is equal to probability of word 2 over word 1 into probability of word 3 in over word 2, and it goes on up to n words. So yeah, that's it, guys, for ngrams, and see you on another video. Stay tuned. Thank you.